Hi, I'm Dr. David Hill, and today we're going to talk about how to ease cold symptoms. Now, colds can be caused by any of over 2,000 different viruses that affect humans, but the viruses have in common a set of symptoms that they cause. The most obvious are stuffy nose, runny nose, cough, sore throat, and fever. You may also have muscle aches, headache, myalgias, that's another word for muscle aches. So those are all symptoms, but let's concentrate on the biggest ones. The stuffy nose drives people crazy. You may use salt water washed up into the nose using something like a neti pot or a syringe. You can make your own salt water for this purpose by taking a cup of water and a half teaspoon of salt. You might want to boil that solution and then let it come to room temperature. You could also use over-the-counter nose sprays such as Afrin for this purpose, but only use them for 2 or 3 days at most, because after that, when you stop using them, the congestion tends to get worse. For cough, honey is an absolutely fantastic cough suppressant. It actually works better than the medications that we use for cough. One warning, for children under age 1 year, honey can be deadly. It carries botulinum toxin. So if you have an infant, never give your infant honey. You might choose a manufactured corn syrup like Cairo in place. Those things are actually safe. They don't carry the botulinum toxin. In addition to the honey, a vaporizer or humidifier can help suppress cough. Likewise, warm fluids such as hot tea or hot water with lemon and a little bit of honey, or whatever it is that makes you feel better when you drink it. Not suggesting alcohol here, probably a bad mix with an illness, but whatever warm fluid makes you feel good will help with that. For fever and for headache and muscle aches, either acetaminophen, which is in Tylenol, or ibuprofen, which is in Motrin and Advil, can be very helpful for those symptoms. That said, a severe headache should never be left alone. That needs the attention of a doctor. Likewise, if you have a fever more than 3 days or a fever over 104 degrees, you really want to seek care, not because the fever is going to hurt you, but because those are indicators something more serious may be going on and you may need antibiotics or other medical treatment. So, talking about how to ease the symptoms of a cold, I am Dr. David Hill.